That's it. Period. I'm dead. I'm gone. It's happening. Collaboration of 2023. I'm saying, like, I'm ready, but I'm not ready for my bias record from BTS and my bias, my all-time bias, my ultimate bias, and my bias from Big Bang. Doing a collab. And it's called Vibe. And hell yeah, I'm gonna vibe it out. 2023 already made. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it. Taeyang already hit me up. I can already tell this track, this song, Vibe is gonna taste like honey. Oh God. Oh God. Anyways, y'all, can't wait for Taeyang, Jimin. It's been rumored, it's been speculated, it's now happening, it's official. We got a date. Vibe. Can't wait for it. Hopefully, you're ready for it too. Alright, y'all. Peace.
What was your favorite part of collaborating?
We don't have many chance to collab with
Collaborate.
other artists, so it was an honor.